Splitting screen on Final Cut Pro is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to split the screen for. Now, as you can see in my project, I have two clips, and I have and the idea is to split the screen between these two video clips. So what I'm gonna do, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the first clip, the one that I want to be on the left side of the screen, and I'm gonna come to this crop tool here, the square that overlaps each other, two sides overlapping each other. I'm gonna click on the arrow and I'm gonna click on transform. Now once you click on transform, it's gonna allow you resize the screen to the size that you want. And what the idea here is to move the screen to half of the clip to half of the screen. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna move this here. And I think this should be half of the screen. Now we're gonna come to the second clip, which is this clip, and we're gonna move it on top of the first one. So you can see this is the first one and this is the second one at the top. Now we're gonna go through the same process. We're gonna click on this arrow, click on the clip first, click on this arrow, then click on transform, and we are gonna reshape this particular clip to fit the other half of the screen. And we're gonna do this. I'm gonna put this here. Let's move this a bit, and let's move this here. And just like that, we have a split screen between two clips. Now you can also, if your aim is to uh, ensure that these clips are cropped instead of transforming, you can click on the particular clip, and then you're gonna see you're gonna come to this icon here that says Show Video Inspector. You click on it. You're gonna come to crop, and then you're gonna be able to crop the video from left, right, top, and bottom. And once you put this here and you expand it, you're going to pretty much transform the scale of the video. And you can do the same to this part of the clip also. And just like that, you should have a split screen on Final Cut Pro. Now that's how to do split screen on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.